Alright, so I'm trying to get the winch to work again on this Blazer. Actually not trying, I pretty much have it working. But I wanted to go over a very stupid problem that I pretty much had to rack my brain around for about an hour before I figured it out. Um, I had the solenoid pack, the factory solenoid pack on this Smittybilt winch. Decided it was going to short out and melt down on me one day at work. About set the truck on fire. It was pretty scary, actually. But since then, that's been about 2 months ago, and I've just been too lazy to mess with it. Well, I finally bench tested the winch motor. The winch motor was fine, so I ordered a new solenoid pack. eBay. It was like $32, $33. It was cheap. It's one of those universal solenoid packs for a series round winch motor, which is what the Smittybilt XRC8 is, which actually a lot of winches nowadays I think are series round. On a series round winch, you have 3 posts, not including the ground. There's usually a ground on the motor casing, and then 3 posts that run up to the solenoid pack. 2 are usually typically close to each other, and there's 1 off to the side by itself. That's what these 4-post solenoid packs are meant for. It's a 500 amp solenoid pack, and you can use them for just about any series round winch. Actually, I don't see any reason why you couldn't use them for any series round winch motor. But I kind of looked at the diagram that was on the listing, and it was very vague. It listed like 1, 2, 3 post and battery. Well, I don't, the Smittybilt winch doesn't label their posts as 1, 2, 3. I think they're ABC or something like that. And if you put the wrong post in the wrong place, you're going to create a dead short and really mess some stuff up. So I had to do some Googling. That didn't really give me much of anything, even looking up by the part number on the winch itself, or the solenoid pack itself. So I had to take my multimeter to it, and I figured it out. Let's go take a look at it, actually. The solenoid pack itself, like I said, it's a universal solenoid pack. It's the one it's got a metal mounting bracket that's back here. I actually have it securely mounted to the bottom of the radiator support here. There's no, you see these little divots here, there's no notations of what post is what. So I kind of had to figure it out myself. Looking at it with the bracket where it mounts on the back side here, the center post in the back with this boot covered over it is the positive lead that runs right up to the battery. Alright, these 2 outside posts go to those 2 that are close to each other on the winch motor. This one and this one. This center post here in the front goes to the 1 that's by itself on the winch motor. I don't know if I'll be able to make that out, but you can basically see there's this terminal here, there's another one directly underneath it. That's the 2 that are going to these outside posts. And then there's one more somewhere over there. There's one more over here. I don't know if I can get to it. There it is down there. That's what's going to this front one. That's the one that's by itself. These 3 terminals in the front. Your center one is ground. I just literally have it just loop back around. It's actually grounded to the bracket where it screws into the radiator support. And the outer 2 are your positives. One's in, one's out. When you energize them with this one grounded, it switches the solenoid to either winch in or winch out. You can flip those around if it doesn't go the right way once you hook it up. So those are, in and out and ground. So again, we got battery main, the one off by itself on the winch motor, and then these 2 are the other 2 that are usually going to be close by. And that's pretty much it. Just mount it, ground it, send it. On this main battery lead, I would suggest, if you are hooking up a winch for the first time, run some sort of battery isolator relay. This is a 500 amp Stinger car audio relay meant for batteries, like a second battery, but I'm using it for this so I can shut the winch off, the main power lead running up to it, just for a safety feature. In case of an accident, I don't have a hot wire running right up to the front of the truck. It doesn't pinch it, short it out, so on and so forth. But hopefully that helps. Like I said, I don't know why I spent so much time trying to figure it out. I should have just grabbed my multimeter from the start and probed it and figured it out, but that's it. Hope it helps somebody. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get a couple more viewers here. Trying to get uploading some more videos. I have a series coming up here probably pretty soon. Well, I say pretty soon, in the coming months, of this exact truck. That V6 4.3 liter is going away. I have some major plans in the works for this guy. It's going to be pretty epic, so make sure you stay tuned, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.